Welcome to the Hiland Fine Craft Cycles family. It may take you about 20 minutes to assemble this bike. It begins by unpacking it from the box. Make sure all the tools and accessories are in package. The required tools for install are a number 4 and number 5 hex or Allen wrench, cross screwdriver and number 15 wrench. It would be better if you have a Phillips screwdriver and vice grips or lineman's pliers. Step 1. Assemble the handlebar. Rotate the stem 180 degrees clockwise. It's very important, or the front wheel might hit your foot when riding. Then put the line to this place. Using the number 4 hex, unscrew the bolts on the stem and remove the stem cover. Then place the handlebar on the stem. Just put the screws into the 2 holes, fasten the screws as the order we shown. Notice, but not too tight, because we will back to adjust it after finish the front wheel assembly. Step 2. Assemble the saddle seat. Place the saddle onto the seat on the bike. Adjust the seat height and position for the rider's comfort, and tighten it in place. Put the mountain bike upside down on a level ground, then let's go to the next step. Step 3. Assemble the front wheel. Put out the brake protection pad. Put the axle onto the fork. We put the disc and the brake on the same side. Tighten nuts by using your pound 15 wrench. Test whether the front wheel is installed firmly or not. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. Place the correct pedals marked L or R onto the crank arm, and rotate them using the open-end wrench until tight. For the right pedal, rotate clockwise to tighten. For the left pedal, rotate counterclockwise. Attention please, use pound 15 open-end wrench to tighten the pedals, or the pedal may loose when riding. Step 5. Install the reflectors. Don't forget the reflectors. It will help you keep safe when ride at night. If you have any question, please contact us soon. Hiland_service@joyke.com.